नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु सदा. Now we are on the ninth part of similarity, and today we are going to start with the problem set of chapter similarity. But before starting with it, please student, just pause this video and you revise all the formulas and theorems whatever you have finished in this topic. I think I just revised. In beginning we have completed properties of ratio of areas of triangles. First property was A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 into B1 upon H2 into B2. That is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of bases and their corresponding heights. Then second property we have studied for the triangles which are having common or equal heights. In that case, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. That is ratio of areas of triangles having equal or common height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Then third property we have studied is triangles having common or equal base. Then ratio of areas of two triangles having common or equal base is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Then last property was two triangles having equal height as well as equal bases. Then we studied that A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 1 or A1 is equal to A2. Then important theorem was basic proportionality theorem. In a basic proportionality theorem we have studied that if a line is parallel to a side of a triangle and intersect remaining two sides in two distinct points, then those sides are divided into equal ratios, or sides are divided into what proportion. Then converse of proportionality theory, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, that line is parallel to the third side of a triangle. Then we have completed with a theorem on angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisector divide the opposite side of a triangle in a ratio of remaining sides. Then one more theorem we have studied, that is a theorem of three parallel lines and transversal. Then the ratio of intersect made by a transversal on three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by three parallel lines. After that we studied the similar triangles, and last theorem we have studied before this was the theorem on ratio of areas of similar triangles. The ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to ratio of corresponding side, square of the corresponding sides. Please revise that, write down the paper and copy down all these properties. Then this part will become easy. See student, now we are on the last part of this topic. Now this is the first question they have given, that select appropriate alternative. It is an MCQ. So they have given, first MCQ is this. They have given the two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. For one-to-one correspondence, AB by QR, BC by PR, and AC and PR. If this is given to you, means these sides are in proportion and these are the corresponding sides. So you should be careful. See, when they have taken AB, they are given QR. BC के साथ लिया है RP, means A is proportional to, is in correspondence with Q. B is in correspondence with R and C is in correspondence with P. So P is in correspondence with C. So this correspondence is not proper. Now we see the second one. P के साथ C है, P is with C, Q is with A, Q is with A, and R is with B. R is with B. So I think this is the proper answer. Again we'll check for the next. P के साथ C नहीं है. हाँ, P के साथ C है, good. But Q के साथ A है and R के साथ B है. So let me check. Third alternate is C is with P, B is with R, but it is Q. So this is not alternative. Third one is B के साथ है R, but B is not with R. So your answer is B, that is triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAD. So this is the right answer. See the second question. In this triangle DEF and PQR, D is congruent to Q. R is congruent to E. So, see, I told you that this is the condition. Then you write in this way: triangle D के साथ Q है, then E के साथ R है, तो this will remains F और इसका रह जाएगा P. तो EF upon PR is okay. DE upon QR होना चाहिए था. This is not the answer then. Okay. Now DE upon PQ, no. Then DE upon QR is okay. Then DF upon PQ, this is okay. So I think this is the perfect answer. We'll check for this again. EF upon RP and DE upon QP होना चाहिए था. This is not the thing. Your answer is C. That is DE upon QR is equal to DF upon PQ. Have you understood how to do the MCQs? We have to take care of each and everything properly. Okay, so this is your final answer. So C is the answer. Okay. Now this is the third MCQ. They have given these two triangles. इसमें B is congruent to E and F is congruent to C. Means in these two triangles, two pairs of angles are congruent. Means ये तो sure हो गया by air test they are similar. समझ में कि पूरा जज करके रखो by air test they are similar. Then AB is thrice DE. Means AB is thrice DE. Three times. AB की वैल्यू is 3 times the value of D. D उससे 3 times छोटा, अगर ये 1 है तो ये 3 रहेगा, 3 रहेगा तो 9 रहेगा. तो lengths are different. Is it right? Means that indicates when corresponding sides are not congruent. Are these congruent triangles? तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि these triangles are congruent. तो अभी ये देखते हैं कि which of the following regarding जो statements है are true. First, triangles are not congruent. That is sure, not congruent तो ही नहीं है. But not similar also. 9. ये नहीं चलेगा, दे आर सिमिलर। सेकेंड देखते हैं, द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर बट नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दिस इज ओके। एंड अगेन बट डोंट टेक इट, एमसीक्यूज को ऐसे एकदम ब्लाइंडली मत करो, सब स्टेटमेंट प्रॉपरली पढ़ो, 2 बार पढ़ो, उसके बाद ही तुम लोग कंक्लूजन पे आना है। द ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं, एंड सिमिलर ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, एंड नन ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है। सो व्हिच इज आंसर फॉर इट? आंसर इज ऑप्शन इज सी। दिस इज द आंसर फॉर third question. See, for the fourth MCQ, they have given that ABC is and DEF are equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangle, all sides are congruent as well as all angles are congruent. When all angles are congruent and they are similar, I told you that equilateral triangles are similar. So what I can do is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, ये हमें पता है। अगर उन्हें एरिया दिया है तो I told you that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will become AB square upon DE square. Got it? By the theorem on ratio of areas of similarity. No need to give reason because ये तो MCQ है. But you should know value of D upon A is 1 upon 2 और उन्हें वैल्यू दिया है 4 का, तो हमें राइट 4 स्क्वायर एंड D square. The answer will be 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 D square or D square is equal to 16 into 2, and if I am taking square root, I think DE will be equal to 16 into 2 or DE will become 4 root 2. तो ऑप्शन आपका बन जाएगा 4 root 2. So your answer is 4, that is D option, and the answer is 4 root 2 is the, means this way we have to solve the MCQs. MCQs को तुम लोग इतना lightly मत लेना. Copy down this. Now it's the 5th MCQ. They have given that a XY is parallel to BC. अगर XY पैरेलल टू BC है तो मेरे दिमाग में आएगा मैं बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम अप्लाई करूं। लेकिन बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम में क्या रहता है, AX अपॉन XB इज इक्वल टू AY अपॉन YC, बट यहां पे AC दिया हुआ है, AB दिया हुआ है, यहां भी AC है, यहां AY है। ओके, AC is again, so we'll do one thing. As XY is parallel to BC, I think we'll come to know that ये दो angles congruent है और ये common angle है, तो these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY. वो करके देखते हैं हम लोग। So इसका corresponding side will be what? AB upon AX, then BC upon XY, and AC upon AY is there. And I think first MCQs में AC है तो इन दोनों में एक साथ लेके देखते हैं कुछ होता है क्या। AB upon AX is equal to AC upon AY. ओके, अगर मैं इसकी जगह चेंज करूं ना तो वी आर हैविंग वन प्रॉपर्टी बाय अल्टर विंडो, 9 पे हमने पढ़ा था, AB अपॉन AC इज इक्वल टू AX अपॉन AY। अपना तो आंसर यही निकल गया। फिर दूसरा ज्यादा सोचने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, AX अपॉन XB, AX अपॉन XB इज इक्वल टू AY अपॉन XY चाहिए था, ये तो नहीं होगा। ax upon yc, ax upon yc और ay upon xb, ये भी कोई ऐसा कोई प्रॉपर्टी अपने पास नहीं है, बट यू गॉट द आंसर इन बिगिनिंग, सो लेट इट बी. तो आंसर एज a, that is ab upon ac is equal to ax upon ay. Just copy down this. थोड़ा सा. This is the second question and they are in this figure and given in triangle ABC, B, D and C are collinear points. Length BD they have given 7 units. Length BC they have given 20 units. And they asked to find first thing is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. Second, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Third, they are asked area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC. See, while teaching the properties of ratio of area of triangle, मैं आपको इस टाइप का डायग्राम बताया था. And in this type of questions, A is the common vertex, these are the collinear points. So, three triangles ABC, ABD, ADC, they will have a common height that I told you. तो वही property use करनी है. पहला यूज बोला है अभी जैसे BD they have given 7, BC they have given 20, and they are asked to ABD upon ADC. तो ABD का BD but DC we don't know, तो first of all we find out that. तो solution में हम लोग को पहला निकाल लेते हैं. What you are going to write? Length BD plus length DC is equal to length BC, and you are going to write the result. B, D, C are collinear points. We are having the value of BD is 7 plus length DC is equal to 20. So length DC is equal to 20 minus 7, or DC is equal to 13 units. So this will be your equation 1. Now, what we are going to take? We are going to take the triangles. See what I write in triangle ABD ले रहा हूं मैं. फिर दूसरा ट्राइंगल लेंगे ADC and ADC. Sorry, I made mistake. ADC, and I will take triangle ABC. I write have common vertex. With the common vertex A, and B, D and C are collinear points, and this is the condition. I can say that they have equal heights. Sorry, it is a common height. No need to show which is the common height. So, therefore, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to base 1 upon base 2. Reason is triangles having common height. So, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC, ABD का बेस रहेगा BD and ADC का रहेगा DC. Then this is your answer for first question. See the second question. Now is the first question. Second, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. You are going to write again B1 upon B2. इसका रीजन आप लोग यही लिखोगे और आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? तो ABD का आएगा BD. Oh, sorry, sir, should have been mistake. So, see. Now you have to substitute the values of it. So area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC, value of BD is 7 and DC is 13. So this will become the answer. Okay, got it? So same way we can find out area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC, that is base 1 upon base 2. You are going to give the reason for it. You are going to write what? ABD का वैल्यू रहेगा BD और ABC का रहेगा BC. You are going to substitute the value that you are going to do your own. And third also, that is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC का आएगा base 1 upon base 2 and ADC का रहेगा DC और ABC का रहेगा BC. Reason as well as value you are going to put. This question you are going to do because it's a very simple question. They have given that this is a third question. Read the question properly. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights. अब ये थोड़ा सा heights are equal is 2:3. Correct? तो ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is 2:3. ये ratio है area का. Say x. तो I'll do one thing है. Solution में मैं लिख रहा हूं let A1 and A2 be areas of, see ratio is 2:3, so I know that A1 is 2, A1 2 किसकी वैल्यू है? A1 की और 3 किसकी वैल्यू थी? Smaller and bigger triangles having equal heights. तो ये हमें मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. And A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 upon 3. ये हो गया. Is it right? It is given. Now, in the base, and we write let B1 and B2 be corresponding bases of those corresponding bases of smaller and bigger triangle. And they have given smaller means B1 they have given to you is 6 centimeter. Now we are going to write A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 और इसका रीजन लिखेंगे हम लोग triangles having equal heights. This reason you have to write. A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 3. B1 का वैल्यू है 6 और B2 मुझे पता नहीं. Therefore क्या होगा? 2 into B2 is equal to 6 into 3. So B2 will become 6 into 3 upon 2. So B2 will become 9 centimeter. We are going to write the length of corresponding base of bigger triangle is 9 centimeter. This will be your answer for third question. Copy down. Now this is a figure for fourth question, and they have given in figure. They are going to write given angle ABC is equal to angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. AB, I can write length AB is equal to 6 units and length DC is equal to 8 units. They are asked to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. See, in triangle ABC, ABC 90 है, DCB 90 है, ये 6 का है, ये 8 का है, and they are asked to try area of triangle ABC, DCB. अगर मैं simple है, in triangle ABC, BC is the base, AB is the height, and in triangle BDC, BC is the base and DC is the height. So both the triangles are having what? Common base. So the very simple question is solution. What I am going to write? Triangle ABC and triangle DCB have common base. Common base है DC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to H1 upon H2. Reason is triangles having common base. Therefore, ABC का हाइट है AB और इसका हाइट है DC. AB की वैल्यू है 6, DC की वैल्यू है 8. It is given. If I cancel it, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB, your answer will be 3 upon 4, because you are going to cancel 2 3s are, 3 4s are. This is your final answer. Copy down this by just you pause the video and then you copy down this. Now the question number 5. They are given this figure. Now given PM, they are given 10. So length PM is equal to 10 units I'll place the value as 10. Area of triangle POS PQS is equal to 100 square. This is 10 centimeter square centimeter, and area of triangle QRS is equal to 110 square centimeter. What they are asked to find out? To find length NR. See, they have given the PM is equal to 10, area of triangle QRS is 100, and that is PQS and RQS. So these two triangles are having common base. Simple, सबसे simple. ये मुझे लगता है ये आपकी चैप्टर का सबसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. Solution. You are going to write in triangle PQS and triangle QRS have common base, that is QS. Therefore, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equal to H1 upon H2. The reason you are going to write triangles having common base. So that is equal to PM upon Rn. So, or NR we can write. Value of PQS is 100, QRS is 110. So 100 upon 110 is equal to PM is 10 upon NR. This get cancelled. 10 into NR is equal to 10 into 11. So length NR is equal to 10 into 11 upon 10. Again 10 get cancelled. Length NR is equal to 11 centimeter. This is your final answer for therefore side. Then pause this video and copy down this question.